Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Lizzie. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating stories from class 11 CBSE Hornbill, The Adventure by Jayant Narlikar. This prose is not just a story. It's a thought experiment that combines history, science and imagination. It makes us think about alternate realities and the possibility of multiple version of history. By the end of this video, you will understand the plot in detail, the scientific concepts used, the themes, literary devices, and exam focused questions with answer. So stay tuned till the end. Before we dive into the story, let's know the author. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, born in 1938, is one of India's most respected astrophysicists. He worked closely with Sir Fred Hoyle in England and contributed to famous steady state theory of universe. But what makes him truly special is that he was not just a scientist, he was also a writer who believed that science should not be locked up in laboratories. It should reach people, especially students, in simple and exciting ways. His stories, like The Adventure, mix scientific concepts with fiction, making us imagine possibilities beyond the ordinary. He reminds us that science and imagination are two sides of the same coin. Now, what is the story about? The adventure takes us into the life of Professor Gaitonde, a historian, but his journey is not ordinary. It is a scientific and philosophical exploration. One day, after a car accident, Gaitonde finds himself in a world that looks familiar yet strangely different. Here, history has taken a different course. India never came under British rule. Through this imaginative narrative, Jayant Narlikar introduces us to the concept of catastrophe theory and the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics. So, in simple terms, this is not just about history, it's about what if one small event in history had changed? Would our world be the same in present? Let's now understand the characters. First comes Professor Gaitonde. He is a historian, very rational and logical. He represents the academic mind that always looks for evidence. But when he experiences something beyond logic, he is forced to rethink his beliefs. Next, his friend Rajendra Deshpande, a physicist. Rajendra represents the voice of science. In this story, he explains Gaitonde's strange journey using scientific theories. Together, these two characters symbolize the dialogue between history and science. One raises the question, and the other tries to provide answers. The story begins when Professor Gaitonde meets with a car accident. When he regains his senses, he realizes he is in Mumbai, but something feels very odd to him. The streets are both familiar and unfamiliar. The people behave very differently. When he reaches Azad Maidan, he sees a huge gathering. A lecture on history is being delivered, but the history is not the one he knows. The speaker talks about how India progressed without ever being colonized. This shocks Gaitonde because in the history he knows, India suffered under British rule for almost 200 years. This is the beginning of his adventure in an alternate world. As he listens further, Gaitonde realizes the key differences. In this alternate reality, the Marathas had won the Third Battle of Panipat in the year 1761. In real history, they lost to Ahmad Shah Abdali, and this defeat weakened them, allowing the British to later dominate India. But here, with their victory, the Marathas became strong and united the country. India never fell into the hands of the British. Instead, it modernized on its own, developing a confident, self sufficient nation. Imagine how different our lives would be if colonialism had never happened. That's exactly what the author makes us visualize. Even though Gaitonde is fascinated, he feels restless. The world looks better, but it is not his reality. Suddenly, he regains full consciousness and finds himself back in the real world, the world we know, where the British did rule India. Confused and shaken, he visits his friend Rajendra Deshpande, hoping for an explanation. And this is where science enters into the picture. Rajendra explains the incident using two important scientific ideas. First, catastrophe theory, which means that small changes in conditions can bring about sudden dramatic shifts in outcomes. For example, one wrong move in the Battle of Panipat led to the Marathas' defeat, and history took a completely different direction. Second, the many worlds interpretation, a theory in quantum physics. It says that reality is not single. There are countless parallel universes existing simultaneously, each with its own versions of events. So, according to Rajendra, during the accident, Professor Gaithonde's mind slipped into one such parallel universe where history had unfolded differently. This way, science gives a logical explanation to what otherwise seems impossible. Let's look at the key themes of this story. 1. The fragility of history. History is not unchangeable. One small event can decide the fate of the nation. Next, the role of science in understanding the unknown. The story uses physics to explain a historical fantasy. Third, the human quest for knowledge. Professor Gaithonde's curiosity shows how humans constantly search for answers. And finally, interdisciplinary thinking. The story beautifully blends history, science, and philosophy to open new perspectives in the mind of the reader. Now let's focus on the key incidents which has to be noted for the exam preparation. The car accident and Gaithonde's entry into an alternate world. Next, his observation of Mumbai looking both familiar and strange. Then comes the lecture at Azad Maidan about alternate Indian history. Next, the revelation of the Maratha victory at the Battle of Panipat. Then his return to the real world, and finally Rajendra's scientific explanation. These form the backbone of the story. Why is the Battle of Panipat so important? In real history, the Marathas were defeated in 1761. This shattered their strength and opened the doors for the British domination. But in the story's alternate history, if the Marathas had won, India could have remained united, resisted colonization, and developed as a global power. This battle is therefore a symbol. It represents the turning point of Indian history, the destiny of India. The story is rich in literary techniques. First comes the imagery, the way the author has portrayed the alternate Mumbai world is very vividly described. Next comes the irony, where a historian questions history itself. Then Panipat symbolizes destiny of India, which is the symbolism used by the author. Next comes foreshadowing, a small hint that something strange is happening. Prepare us for the twist. His speculative fictional elements use of science to imagine alternate paths. Critically, the adventure is more than just a fantasy. It shows how history, science, and philosophy are interconnected. It challenges us to ask, is history absolute, or is it just one version out of many possibilities? Narlika uses the lens of science to open doors to imagination, making the story educational and thought provoking at the same time. For exams, remember the central idea: alternate histories are possible and science can explain them. The character sketches of Gaithonde has a rational yet restless historian, and Rajendra has a calm scientist explainer. The message of the story: history is not fixed, the reality is not fixed. Small changes in events can shape nations. Science and imagination together can unlock new ways of thinking. Here are some quotations to use in your answers. What would have happened if the Marathas had won the Battle of Panipat? Then comes the catastrophe theory. Catastrophe theory tells us that a small change in circumstances can bring sudden shifts in outcomes. And the final quotation, based on many world interpretation: the reality may not be unique. There can be many realities existing side by side. Quoting directly in your answers will fetch you higher marks. For practice, here are some questions. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of it, or you can make a note of these questions. If you are able to answer these questions, it is a symbol that this video was quite successful for you all. Think beyond the text. If you could change one event in history, what alternate world would you create? Do you think history is decided by chance or by the choices people make? Can science truly explain every mystery, or are there some experiences beyond logic? Take a moment and think about different innovative answers for these higher order thinking questions. To conclude, the adventure is not just a story, it is a window into imagination. It teaches us that history is fragile, science is powerful, and human curiosity has no limits. For your exams, focus on the plot details, the scientific explanations, the significance of Panipat, and the central themes. And remember, Narlikar's message is clear. Reality is not just what we see, it may have many layers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam preparation lessons. See you in the next video.